So we're looking at the Stella Intrepid. This is the Stella Intrepid Advantage Edition. Layup, quite light, reasonable, and it's good cost. What they refer to as a British style kayak. It has a skag to help with directional control. Skag lever controlled by a cable. Drops down nicely, but sometimes not too far enough. But still has a nice trim. As you can see, that's almost way back. Push it forward, lift it up. There we go. Really light boat. And this is usually my grab-to boat for workouts and loading up for multi-day trips, weekend trips. I've used this a few times, camping and multi-day kayaking in Andros. You can really load this up with a lot of gear. Of course, it has a front hatch. There's a handy grab-to day hatch in the front of the cockpit. It's good to keep maybe sunscreen in there, light snack, maybe a keys. As you can see, it has a little twist on Tupperware type thing closure, and there's the traditional small hatch behind the cockpit, and there's another big bin, fairly good size, keep all the big items here positioned properly. Heavier stuff around the cockpit and the lighter stuff towards the steering. Same rule applies also to the front hatch. Lots of space in this boat, and it's a beautiful boat. Good lines. Took a while for me to get used to it. It is a bit tippy at first. It seems to perform a lot better loaded down, especially if the weight is distributed properly, as I suggested earlier. There's a Kayak sport hatch, very reliable. Cockpit is a bit deep, so you probably refer to this as a heavy volume boat. Of course, the low volume boat is out now, past couple of years. The Intrepid low volume. And there you have it. Stella's first generation Intrepid with the Advantage layup.